Hey everybody, so I'm in the car park and I just noticed this numpty's left some money on his dashboard. Look. What a donut, he's left that. Alright, I can get that. Hold on, it's on selfie now, Dad. You got that, my cameraman? Thank you. Right. Alright, and I can get that, you know. Alright, I can get that. With a little bit of magic, alright, I can get that. Come over this way a bit, Dad. No, hold on. Just there's fine. Hold this top bit, please. Got it? It's fine. Now finger on there. On this bit, look. That's it. Just there's fine. Thanks, my cameraman. Right. Bit of magic. Right, I can totally have that. Right, I can totally have that. And I can totally have that. I'm gonna get that. There we go, boy.